Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Facebook email address in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, or bottom right corner on some devices, to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now, tap on Account Center. Here, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Contact Info. You'll see your current email address listed here. Tap on Add New Contact. Tap on Add Email Address. Enter your new email address and tap Continue. Facebook will send a confirmation code to your new email. Enter the code to verify your email address. Once verified, your new email address will be added to your Facebook account. Delete the previous email. And that's it. How to change your Facebook email address. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.